Hello there, guys. Tom here again, and I'm doing yet another, actually, software review, I guess. Today, I'm going to be talking about a little application called SocialSafe. Now, if you have you ever just wanted to store all your social media, like all the data from it, literally all the statuses you've ever made on Facebook or Twitter, whatever tweets you've posted, just anything like that. Have you ever just wanted to just store the entire thing easily on your desktop? Well, with Social Safe, that's basically the idea. This has not been out long. I've not. Only 2 weeks ago did I get my copy. I haven't bought it yet. I'm still on the 60-day free trial. And do excuse me. Got a frog in my throat. Basically, they let you sync 4 accounts for free for 60 days, and then if we go to pricing, 1 second, you can have up to 4 social network accounts for £4.99 a year. And I think that's pretty good, to be honest. And literally, you can store everything on your computer. So that means that if you ever want to look back through stuff, just any memories, etc., if you want to have all the photos there on your computer, you've got all that with SocialSafe. And the thing is that with Facebook's feature, it allows you to download the data on Facebook. Basically, they allow you to download all your Facebook data. But it shows you in the web browser, and it's kind of messy. If I'm honest, it's not really exactly clean the way they do it. But with SocialSafe, it formats everything just as it was, literally everything. So I have my own installation, and I know this sounds really stupid. I don't really sort of want to reveal myself yet. I mean, obviously, some people may find that a trivial thing. It's just really my choice, to be honest. I do have intentions to pretty soon, but just for the moment, I don't really see a reason to, because I can show you everything anyway. What you can do in the program and everything, because I'm going to run it in a virtual machine, and even though that I've not got a Facebook account added, it's fine. I'm sure you get the hang of it. So you can go to the features page and have a look at what they've got going on. Literally, you've got they have backwards compatibility with most social networking accounts. Once you finish adding accounts, what it does is it syncs everything. Now, if you've had Facebook for years, and I'm talking years, um, it's going to probably take a long time to download the data. Like if you were, one of the first users in 2004 when it came out, it's going to take quite a long while for your Facebook data to download. But basically, once it's downloaded, it will then sync. So the initial sync will be the worst one because it's downloading all your data from scratch. But then once that data is downloaded, you just have to sync, and they recommend that you sync every single day. And literally, it'll take like a minute or something just to sync all the messages that you've sent that day, and it'll keep that one up to date for you. And it's also got a scheduler, and you can sort of see what's going on there at the features page, really. So if we close out of that one now and we go into the virtual machine, I can also take you through the installation, which is not which is kind of pointless because it's really, really easy. So, double click the file and run it. Pretty non-techy installation, if I'm honest. Just click next, really. This doesn't change anything. This is just literally a little program that allows you to, easily and securely download your data. So it's nearly done. I'm going to go ahead and launch that one. So, when you first open it up, it always says, your data belongs to you. Do you want to improve social safe by saying anonymous data? I personally don't choose to do that one. But since this is, I'm not really going to do anything with this. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to agree to it. Oh, well, actually, no, I can't agree to it because I've got to add an account, sorry. Yeah. Anyway, when you first open it, account 0 out of 4 added. So literally, this is just it when you first start it up. And, you can have a Facebook account, a Twitter account, a Facebook page account. That means, like, if you've got a rock band or something. Your Instagram, your LinkedIn, Pinterest, your blog, your Google Plus, your Valado. So they've got quite a few in there. I'm surprised they don't have MSN. Well, not MSN. It's actually now Skype/MSN. So yeah, I'm a bit surprised they don't have that in there, to be honest. So actually, I can add. I could add my blog because that should be fine, really. So this is what it's like for adding your blog. You don't even have to put in your password or anything because it's basically public. So .blogspot.co.uk. It's actually really good. Choose. No. It's actually really good, actually, to sync your blog using SocialSafe because the thing is that blogs, if they get hacked, if your blog gets hacked, then it's quite a difficult thing. If you have like a massive blog, one that you've been keeping for years, and it's quite important to you. It's like it could be that you make money from your blog, and someone hacks it. They might mess it up. They might just delete everything. Well, if you use this now, you know that you have everything backed up, and then all you have to do is make a new blog and just upload everything and just say, this is my blog, and that's it. Obviously, Facebook account is a bit different. That's a bit more complicated. But with the Facebook, that's just really having the memories there. But it's so much easier to use this than downloading it through Facebook, because all you have to do is click authorize now, and then all you do is the trivial procedure of just logging in with Facebook, and that's it. On Facebook, they ask you, to say, who is this, and let's face it, all of us, so many people on this planet have so many friends in their Facebook that they don't know. They had this literally, they have no idea who it is. And when I tried downloading my data through Facebook, I was like, huh, who's that? So that's the way that Facebook gets you to verify it. With this, all you got to do is put in your password, and that's fine. And it just, it just does it for you. It's just so easy. But anyway, now what I do to get the sync for my blog, I just click sync now, and I have to create another trial license, it seems. So let me see. Create and sync. And now it's just going to sync everything. My blog, as you know, if you follow me, hasn't really got that much on it at the moment. And as I said in my last video, I'm probably going to go ahead and try and update that a bit more frequently. So it's nearly done, I think, because there's not that much on there. It shouldn't really take too long. Oh, it's ragging on those photos, isn't it? Absolutely ragging. It usually does photos a lot quicker than that, I can tell you now. But yeah, guys, if if you want me to review a piece of software, or if you want me to have a look at a piece of software and tell you how it works or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and you know uh, just drop it in the comments, or message me or something, or also, of course, like I said, I might make a page or something, and you can sort of post stuff on there and like ask me to do reviews or tutorials or what have you, really. So now, 5 new entries, 14 entries altogether. Uh, that's literally how small my blog is. See, I haven't. Let me see, 12. Well, anyway, you can sort of see from a certain time span. So let's see, 1st of January. Oh no, because it'll go. Well, basically, it'll go from. What's going on here? Oh well, never mind. You can see the range of activity between two dates anyway. And you've got photos, and you've got all the photos that you've used for your blog. Accounts, you've seen that. Journal. 5 feed items, and look, see, you can see that this is like all the stuff here that I've posted onto my blog. So you can see that SocialSafe just lays it out, nice and cleanly. It keeps its format and keeps the details such as the time things are added, that sort of thing. Really, really nice way that it handles it. You know, it's so much better than just making a messy HTML file. You know what I mean? So you can search accounts. So literally, just whatever it is, you can just search that thing over your accounts. You've got insights. That tells you more about the activity of the account, of whatever it is. Excuse me. And then you got the sync button right there. Literally, you just click that button and everything syncs. So, is that it? Is there anything else? Oh yeah, you can go into options. You can select some themes. That's all that is really. You can set a password. That's not a account password or anything like that. That's more like a local password, so no one else can get in. Really, literally just a trivial password thing. You can select to enable a password. Type in a password. Set. Oh. Oh. Well. Okay. Demot. And you can change the password, and then you say lock after however many minutes of sleeping. Lock when sleeping, save, and now you can lock it and keep it secure on your computer by lock now. You can go into the scheduler. You can turn sync on and say whatever day of the week you want. They suggest that you do it once every day to keep it nice and simple, and that will make it more simple, by the way, if you sync it every day, because the more frequently you do it, the less data you have to download. So you can choose auto sync on launch. That's what I like to do, really. Well, actually, really, if you have auto sync turned on, to be honest, there's no point of having the scheduler on, because if you just say to yourself, I'm going to open this every single day and sync it, you can just use that. But if you use the scheduler, just say start SocialSafe at login. That's the scheduler. You got the themes. Service message. Oh, I think that's for like when your license expires and that sort of thing. And then you got usage data, which allows you to toggle that option of sending anonymous data, as they say. You got help button there, upgrade and update, tutorial, FAQs, contact us, have an idea, all that sort of stuff really. And that, my friends, is SocialSafe. So I hope that is helpful to you. I know it's a bit silly that I didn't really actually show you it in proper action, but believe me, it's so simple. Just most of you will be using this now for Facebook, and it's so easy. Just literally log into Facebook through SocialSafe as you would do with Facebook, and just hit the sync button and let all the data download, and then it's really simple of just looking through it. It's literally like being on Facebook really, but it's inside SocialSafe, and all your stuff's there, and you can have a look at your life over the past few years, and look back on those memories in a nice, clean way. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. I think I might have an idea for another video, so stick around. I might actually make another video in a second. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a minute.